Hello, and welcome back to Craft Redux. Can you imagine if I did the whole voiceover that way? Average watch time, 23 seconds. Well, anyway, today I'm making a nail polish bottle holder. These are some images I pulled off of Amazon. My wife was like, I need one of these. And I was like, ho, hold your horses, Mrs. Redux. I can make you that. I started off by pulling out all these old security cameras and web cameras. These aren't actually cameras, these are just displays. They're from a store, they got no guts, they're empty. So yeah, I just had to pull it apart and I was like, whoa, okay, forget a bottle holder, I gotta make a GLaDOS. Okay, yeah, anyway. So as you can tell, I actually already started this project, but once I kind of got things together and looking at it, I was like, oh, this might come out cool. I need to film it. So the reason why I picked this piece was this little bracket right here. It's the key that holds everything together. Do keys hold things together? Well, whatever. Yeah, without that, I'd have to be gluing everything together. And, I really wanted this thing to last. I know she's going to be using it a lot. So I really wanted to be able to clamp stuff down. And hey, screws work good for clamps. And yeah, this was magnetic. I didn't even have any idea. And wow, that was fortuitous. Also fortuitous is this bottle came pre-cut, sanded, and with holes. Just so happened those holes lined up with the screw bracket real nicely, and it even had a big hole for me to stick my screwdriver through. Now I guess some of you probably have an L-shaped little screwdriver that could do that without making this hole, but I don't have that. So yeah, boy, this was fiddly. But it all came together real nicely. Construction complete. Let's test it out. Yeah, I could tell right away it was going to be top heavy. Can you imagine this thing getting knocked over with that lid off the polish? My whole coffee table would be blue. So yeah, good thing that thing was magnetic. I was able to take advantage of that by using another magnet. And I have a lot of magnets. I've been collecting them for years. I have some kind of fascination with them, but with the weight of the magnet and that stainless steel cover, plenty of weight, and it just clipped right on perfectly. So not sure where I got this magnet from originally, but it came with a bunch of real thick, heavy-duty foam tape. I left this part in the video so you could see some extreme mastery of crafting. This is Pro Crafting 101 right here, watch. Oh, divine. What skill. In my videos, I always have that sticker, please subscribe, Craft Redux. Kind of a visual reminder. Hopefully people will take advantage of that. And whenever you see that sticker in future videos, you'll be like, I was there when the red dot appeared. So I started by spraying it with white primer, and the main body gets painted kind of a white pearlescent, and 38 coats. So boring, not showing in the video, but nice black accents. Wait, time to build again. What did I do? Yeah, so I was painting this part rose gold, and of course with the metallics, I had to do 15 coats, so I was blow drying it between coats to speed things up, and it melted. Boo. So let's make that thing again. This time I'm using a small Advil bottle. It's the kind of Advil bottle you buy at Dragon Con because you forgot to take any. On the bottom there was a lot of kind of writing, the recycle codes, little dents and stuff, and I wanted to cover that up. So I went through my bits box and kind of pulled everything that fit, and I opted for that red train wheel. If you saw my Rocky build, it's a little robot I made out of parts only from a toy train. That's the same train. So yeah, just a bit of glue and then some seasoning with the baking powder. Kind of get rid of the cat hair and just stick it right on. Spin it around so all that baking powder gets spread around the inside to accelerate that glue and make it strong. Here I'm wadding up some tissue paper around a popsicle stick to create a little handle that I can use while I'm priming. So often I forget to do stuff like this, and I get outside the primer and I have nothing to hang anything on, and I end up messing it up. I always see on my paints, store in a cool, dry place. So I was talking to Andy Mecha about my woes with melting that piece, and he asked what I was using as an undercoat, and I'm like, I don't know, gray primer, and he suggested maybe using sienna. So right here I'm just doing an undercoat of sienna, and wow, it looks so nice. I almost didn't want to paint it, but the missus requested rose gold, and rose gold she's going to get. So after 2 coats of that, we're going to apply directly to it, and man, I couldn't be more shocked how well this came out. I guess I shouldn't have been shocked. Andy Mecha's the master. Went with more black accents to tie it all together. There's a lot of black in the body. Peeling off the masking tape I used to protect the inside because I didn't want to have to paint it, and sure enough, masking tape, the biggest disappointment in human history. It always lets paint in. So did a quick touch up along the rim with the rose gold, and then I just hit the inside with a coat of a really good white that I picked up at Michael's. 1 coat got it. For both of our sanities, I didn't include a lot of paint footage. So boring. But yeah, just a quick assembly and this thing is done. I opted for showing this on the turntable. Sure wish it would have come out a little bit brighter. I really need some new lights, but you can see the pearlescent white came out very pretty, and the rose gold with the black, it all looks very, very nice. I really appreciate you staying till the end like this. You know, it's so important to a channel that you watch the entire video, or at least most of it. It's also super important to hit the like button and comment. All of these things help so much. So yeah, thank you so much. And if you can, please hit the like button and subscribe. And there's some links. Check out some of my other videos. We're going to be going back to robots next. I will see you then. Thank you so much.